इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर बोलते हैं कि इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर बोलते हैं?
Interior designer, please. Decorators are very different from designers.
Meet Prerna Mangla, co-founder and creative director of MWM Spaces, a luxury interior design studio in Gurgaon. With over a decade of experience, she creates bespoke homes that balance elegance, comfort, and personal storytelling. From concept to execution, Prerna transforms spaces into soulful, luxurious experiences. If you're designing in a place like Mumbai, तो वो आप कैसे हैंडल करते हो कि स्पेस भी मिल जाए अपार्टमेंट में और एस्थेटिकली भी अच्छा लगे?
We first plan it on the paper. We understand the client's requirement. Accordingly, we plan the spaces. Sometimes we combine 2 rooms. Sometimes we convert 1 room into 2 rooms.
Oh, you have your own in-house
Yes,
place
we
where
have-
you
yes,
can actually
yes.
manufacture the furniture there.
Yes,
ये
yes.
तो बड़ा अच्छा है, आप जो भी visualize कर रहे हो वो बना
it's like we are having a one-stop solution. You come to us and you get your home ready in 3 months or 4 months.
Wow, but that sounds very expensive, huh?
No, it is not expensive. It is definitely worth your time and money.
And let's talk about the importance of lighting. How can you give that calm vibe to a space?
The first priority I give is to natural light. There are a lot of studies which says that with natural lighting your productivity increases to 10 to 15%. When it comes to artificial lighting,
How important is Vastu?
I have had clients who follow Vastu like it is the only thing that is going to make their life.
कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि कोई बोलता है नहीं मुझे किचन में तो बाथरूम चाहिए, बाथरूम में किचन मेरा शिफ्ट करो पूरा.
हाँ होता है.
From a client's perspective, मेरे दिमाग में ये रहता है कि if I trust my designer too much, then he's going to make me spend too much money.
No.
Am I right or wrong? Hello. How are you?
I'm good. She came from US actually to meet you.
I have to make a good impression. What can I offer you? Do you want to push it behind you?
Yeah.
जरा कट कर दो, अब जरा मुझे बातें बतानी है. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Mumbai
Thank you.
and welcome to the sets of Candid Confessions.
Thank you for having me.
Very very excited to have you here. मैंने अभी तक किसी भी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर से बात नहीं की है.
Oh.
इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर बोलते हैं कि इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर बोलते हैं?
Interior designer, please. Decorators are very different from designers.
है ना? That's what I
Yes,
thought.
yes,
There has
yes.
to be a difference.
Yes, lot of difference.
What is the difference?
So basically, decorators are more into furnishings
Okay.
and the artifacts,
Haan.
and the designers are more into technical part and the building part. You know, it's very close to architect.
What is the difference between an architect and an interior designer?
Again, a huge difference. Architect creates the boundary,
Right.
and the interior designer creates the home into
Okay.
it. Yeah. So everything that you see other than that wall is
Haan.
what interior designers do.
Okay.
Yes.
तो अगर लेट्स से किसी को अपने घर में स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस करवाने हैं तो
Right.
वो आर्किटेक्ट का काम होता है कि इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का?
Uh,
लेट्स से आई बॉट एन अपार्टमेंट इन मुंबई,
Right.
इन अ अपार्टमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स.
Yes.
सो यहाँ पे बीम्स वगैरह होती हैं जो आप वैसे भी नहीं
Yes.
तोड़ सकते हो, तो ये काम इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का होता है कि आर्किटेक्ट का होता है?
Any experienced interior designer would know what wall and what beams to touch or not touch. Every good interior designer, a qualified interior designer, would know what is a load-bearing wall and what is the load-bearing beams in the house, and they will only touch that when they will explain you how to, do a house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
तो मतलब अगर आपको अपना अपार्टमेंट डू अप कराना है, कोई नया अपार्टमेंट है, सो यू डोंट नीड एन आर्किटेक्ट.
You don't need an architect if the building is ready.
और जो बिल्डिंग का काम जो होता है पूरा स्ट्रक्चर वो
Yes,
आर्किटेक्ट करता
वो architect करते हैं.
उसमें interior
Obviously, it's a
designer.
combined job.
Okay.
Like for me, when I start up a project, I get in touch at the very early stage when we have a plot. So we start our interior planning as soon as an architect starts their architectural planning. It's a combined job.
है. Oh, so you're talking about when you're making a bungalow or something?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
And if you're making an apartment, you don't need an architect as such.
You don't need an architect?
Yes, if you're even doing a civil change.
ओके ओके. तो ये बताइए कि जो आप लोग पढ़ाई करते हो इतनी सारी इंटीरियर डिजाइनर बनने के लिए, कितनी पढ़ाई करनी होती है, कितने साल?
So there are masters also, and
Yeah.
there are bachelors also.
Okay.
I have done bachelors of 4 years in interior
Oh.
designing, and I have done masters in project management in construction.
ओह, तो उसमें आपको थोड़ा बहुत आर्किटेक्चर के बारे में भी सिखाया ही जाता होगा, आई एम गेसिंग.
It's more from the practicality when we work on the job experience.
Okay.
And obviously the basics are taught during our courses as well.
ओके ओके. So let's say if you're designing in a place like Mumbai,
Yeah.
जहाँ पे space जो है वो major issue होता है, तो वो आप कैसे हैंडल करते हो कि स्पेस भी मिल जाए अपार्टमेंट में और एस्थेटिकली भी अच्छा लगे?
It's not like it's just a problem in an apartment in Bombay. It's a problem in India. There are big families. There are big requirements. There are huge requirements of everybody. People have a lot of stuff with them.
Yeah.
So I understand in Bombay we have less space. Maybe in tier 2 cities we have more space where we live mostly in bungalows. But yeah, in Gurgaon, Delhi, and Bombay we have less floor space.
Correct.
So yes, we manage it with our designing skills. We first plan it on the paper. We understand the client's requirement, whatever is their requirement. Accordingly, we plan the spaces. Sometimes we combine two rooms. Sometimes we convert one room into two rooms.
Oh.
So that's how we, fit in their requirements into smaller spaces as well.
सो मैं जब अपना घर व्हेन आई वाज गेटिंग इट डन अप द करंट हाउस दैट आई एम स्टेइंग इन, मेरी बड़ी इच्छा थी कि मेरे पास एक वॉकिंग वार्डरोब हो,
Okay.
you know, क्योंकि कपड़े
Actually, वो
बहुत हैं,
हर वुमेन की इच्छा होती है,
राइट?
Yes,
है ना, ये तो
right.
बहुत कॉमन एक
Yes, yes,
चीज़ होती होगी
definitely.
आपके लिए कि
Yes.
हमें एक वॉक इन वार्डरोब चाहिए.
Nowadays, men also want it. It's not like women only want
Right.
it. Like my husband totally wanted.
बिकॉज आजकल आई थिंक सोने के लिए कम जगह चाहिए होती है, लेकिन कपड़े इतने होते हैं उनको ज़्यादा जगह चाहिए होती है.
Everyone has a lifestyle where they have to go every day out of the house.
Yeah.
So yeah, people need.
So have you ever come across a place where the bedroom actually is very small, but you have managed to take out a walk-in wardrobe there?
Yes, we have definitely. We have done that. So what we can do, we can use a corner bed in that case. We can also make storage beneath the bed, and then we can adjust the walk-in with that.
Oh, wow.
And also I've managed to put sitting into it, bed into it, and a walk-in into it. We have done everything.
Okay, आप थोड़ा 4-5 साल लेट आ गए मेरी लाइफ में.
No, for your next home, definitely.
बट अगर किसी को अपना करंट ओके ना, टोटली गोइंग इन पर्सनल स्पेस, अगर किसी को अपना एग्जिस्टिंग अपार्टमेंट डू अप करवाना हो,
Right.
हाउ फीजिबल इज दैट vis-a-vis एक एम्प्टी अगर अपार्टमेंट आपको मिले?
Definitely, it's 100% feasible. It's as good as an empty apartment. In empty apartment, yeah, we have to let's dismantle the things. We don't need to remove many things. But once we remove all the stuff, it's as equal as the new apartment, and it is very, very much feasible.
और अगर किसी को एग्जिस्टिंग फर्नीचर यूज करके दोबारा से रीडिजाइनिंग करवानी है, how much
See,
is that
if
possible?
whenever you're doing up your space, and you have decided to hire a designer, I'm sure you are willing to create something very exclusive or something that change your lifestyle, right? You cannot hire a designer for a small space. Somebody is going to hire a designer for the whole house. So it is a lifestyle change. So we as designer, we bring in a lot of a conversation where we ask you how you want it in future, and we plan it together. There are a lot of things that may not go into their new lifestyle, new design house, maybe the same space, and maybe there are a lot of things which they have sentimental values sometimes, and sometimes it is very good, very solid. So we recommend using that, and we sometimes recommend not to use something which may not go with their what the vision they have in mind with their new house.
और अगर किसी ने, आप लेट्स से यू आर डिजाइनिंग समबडीज हाउस एंड यू डिजाइन्ड सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ फर्नीचर फॉर द प्लेस,
Right.
ओके, तो ये जो फर्नीचर होता है, ये आप किस तरह से डिज़ाइनिंग होती है? आप जगह को दिमाग में रखकर फर्नीचर डिज़ाइन करते हो कि जो फर्नीचर आपके पास अवेलेबल होता है मार्केट में या व्हाटएवर, उस हिसाब से आप उसको फिट इन करते हो अपार्टमेंट में?
पहले हम एक घर का थीम डिसाइड करते हैं, लाइक उसका ओवरऑल लुक कैसा होगा. इज इट गोइंग टू बी मॉडर्न,
Okay.
इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी ट्रेडिशनल, इज इट गोइंग टू बी अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी मेडिटेरियन. तो देर आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थीम्स दैट आर पॉसिबल इन एनी प्लेस. Okay, so once we have decided that, accordingly we will design the furniture. Not with traditional theme, modern furniture will not go, right?
Yeah.
And so according to the theme and the design, we suggest designs of the furniture in the design first, in the 3D design first, and we try to source the same furniture. With us, we have our own manufacturing unit,
Okay.
so we build it. But yeah, a lot of designers source the furniture and they also built the furniture. So there are a lot of furniture designers also that who work with along with a interior designer. So we collaborate and make those furniture.
Okay, so you have your own in-house
Yes,
place
we
where
have-
you
yes,
can
yes,
actually
yes.
manufacture the furniture there.
Yes,
ये
yes,
तो बड़ा अच्छा है, आप जो भी visualize कर रहे हो वो बना
yeah, it's
सकते हो.
like we are having a one-stop solution. You come to us and you get your home ready in 3 months or 4 months, and everything with furniture, with furnishing, and everything.
Wow, but that sounds very expensive, huh?
No, it is not
not?
expensive. It is definitely worth your time and money. We are saving a lot of time. We are almost saving 3 to 4 months minimum. We are giving you extra edge above everybody because we are aware of the latest trends. You may be thinking that I can do it because a lot of information are available on internet, but you will start it from today when you decided to build your home. We are doing it from last 15-20 years. We already know what to reject and what to
Okay.
use and what is latest. Sometimes clients show me pictures, it's looking lovely, you should use this in my house. I tell them I have seen this picture 10 years ago, so this is not latest. You are researching now.
Okay.
I've been doing this from so long.
Yeah.
So it's better to take a designer advice, and it is definitely worth your money, no doubt into that, because I have seen people not hiring designers and end up spending so much and not satisfied at the end. So it is worth your money, no? Everything is expensive.
Yeah, absolutely.
You
मतलब
should be very thoughtful whenever you're going to buy something. It should be worth your money. So if you're getting a advice for that from an expert, you should take it.
तो ये जो ट्रेंड्स की आप बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे आपने एग्जांपल दिया कि मैं आज घर बनाने निकली हूँ अपना, तो मैं आज गूगल सर्च कर रही हूँ क्या क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, बट आई डोंट नो दैट दिस इज 10 years old
Yeah.
or 50 or how many other people have used this design in their homes.
Right.
So of course I don't know that, but how important is it for you as a designer to follow the trends vis-a-vis follow your creativity? अभी लेट्स से एक ट्रेंड चला हुआ है आजकल कि ऐसा, आई डोंट नो द इंटीरियर ट्रेंड्स, बट कुछ एक ट्रेंड है कि सब ये कर रहे हैं आजकल, बड़ा पॉपुलर है ये. सो डू यू फोकस ऑन कि ये पॉपुलर ट्रेंड है, आई शुड इनकॉर्पोरेट दिस, और डू यू फील कि नहीं मुझे अपना क्रिएटिविटी दिखाना है?
See, sometimes there is a clash, but most of the time, interior designers like to go with the latest trends only. It is rare that it doesn't fit into what a designer's creativity is, what they are thinking it should be. So, for example, cane is trend in these days. A lot of natural materials are trend in these days, but that is really good for the future. Everybody is getting conscious about using of recycled products, which are wellness oriented products. So as a designer, it is a responsibility also to guide and to use things which are environmental friendly.
Correct.
So definitely we also learn about those things, be level with the latest trends and all, and then we suggest the same thing. So there is no concern into be with the trends, I will say.
मतलब जैसे होता है कि आजकल लेट्स से कपड़ों में लेट्स से फ्लेयर पैंट्स आर वेरी ट्रेंडिंग राइट नाउ, तो जिम में भी लोग फ्लेयर्ड पैंट्स पहन रहे हैं, बाहर भी आपने भी फ्लेट पहनी है, मैंने भी फ्लेट पहनी हुई है अभी, मगर मतलब इंसान 4-5 फ्लेट पैंट्स खरीद के बैठ गया और सडनली 2 महीने बाद ट्रेंड चेंज हो गया. यू कैन डू दैट विद द हाउस, यू कैन एटलीस्ट लाइक थ्रो अवे योर क्लोथ्स और डू समथिंग अबाउट इट, बट ऐसा नहीं होता कि हमने ट्रेंड फॉलो किया लेकिन अभी सब जगह यही दिख रहा है, नाउ इट्स लुकिंग स्टेल टू सून, देन व्हाट डू यू डू?
Definitely. So, as a good designer, you should know what is what has less lifetime and what is long term. So, like for example, आपने थोड़े दिन पहले देखा होगा बहुत लोग जाली पार्टीशन लगाते थे, है ना? हर जगह देखोगे तो आप जाली पार्टीशन, अभी वो बिल्कुल this is off the trend. So at that time, I know that this is not gonna last soon because this is not maintenance friendly. The dust will accumulate into it, right? So yeah, that's why it is important. मतलब I'm not sure that every designer should know this or would recommend this, क्योंकि clients also ask कि है ना कि ये कर दो ये मेरे घर में. So like right now, if there is some trend is going and I don't like it personally as a designer, I suggest clients that not to take this because it is not long lasting or something like that.
तो होता होगा ना ये प्रॉब्लम?
हाँ होता है, ये प्रॉब्लम होता है, एंड आई मतलब गुड डिजाइनर वुड मेक अ होम एटलीस्ट फॉर 10 to 15 years.
या करेक्ट, आई मीन
And that's what we try to do at least.
ओके एंड व्हाट अबाउट टाइमलाइंस बिकॉज मैंने सुना है और मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में भी अगर पुराने टाइम में तो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स ही होते थे वही इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर भी रिकमेंड करते थे एंड देन दे वर ऑल हैंड इन ग्लव अभी उन्होंने बोल दिया 4 महीने में आपका घर आपके हाथ में होगा आप बेडरूम में सो रहे होगे लेकिन यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट थिंग 8 महीने निकल गए 10 महीने निकल गए पैसे पानी की तरह बह रहे हैं लेकिन घर का रेडी होने का कोई आसार नहीं दिख रहा है
Right.
सो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज द टाइम लाइन फॉर यू
Very important for us. That's why we have a company where we are giving you one-stop solution. We are doing turnkey projects. We are designing and we are building as well. That's why we have started this company also, because not everybody is trained enough to execute the design that you see in pictures.
Right.
So there has to be the person has to have a good knowledge about how to work, beyond those pictures, the technical drawings and further. So आपने जैसे बोला कि पहले जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स होते थे, एक्चुअली अभी भी वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं.
ओके
और वो जब वो घर बनाते हैं तो वो अपने आप को डिज़ाइनर्स भी बोलते हैं. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल माई न्यू क्लाइंट्स व्हेनेवर दे कम टू मी, डू चेक अ क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ योर इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर. आर दे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स और आर दे एक्चुअली डिज़ाइनर्स? सो वो बनाएंगे तो वैसे ही होगा आज भी.
ओके
But if you hire a professional, properly trained professional, they will first do the working. So how we work, we spend 2 weeks into designing, further 2 weeks into drawings. Each and every drawing is detailed enough that anybody, even a fresher carpenter, can work on it with the closed eyes. And it will get ready. So we have all the specification. What we do all the material selection beforehand, before getting into the execution.
ओके
So that saves a lot of time. If you do a planned work, no, it cannot take much longer.
Okay.
The timelines only extend when you go beyond. After the execution started, you suddenly feel I do not want this wall to be here. I do not want the blue color to be here. So that kind of thoughts only come when you are not seeing a proper design, 3D designs, before getting into execution. So I always recommend my client to think properly whenever they give approvals. Please think properly and give me a written approval that you can't change your mind
हाँ
again and again. And obviously you will get influence after seeing a lot of pictures, but you have to wear one dress a day, right? So that is how it is. You have to take that decision. You can't
Right.
keep changing.
राइट एब्सोल्युटली तो ऐसे भी होते होंगे क्लाइंट्स जो अपना माइंड चेंज कर देते होंगे
So we have to be strict with them.
हाँ
होता है. Because
But then, of course, it
because of
doesn't-
the lot of information available on the internet, lot of pictures. Every second you're watching your phone. Once you start following somebody, you will see. If you are following in 2-3 interior designer, your feed will only show you designing,
करेक्ट
right? And you will see 200 pictures a day.
करेक्ट
And you will feel like ये भी मेरा अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, ये भी मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ
So, but you have to make up your mind, and obviously your designer will guide you, how to decide also. You should feel good about it at least for 3 to 4 days. So when I send designs to my client, I don't ask for immediate approvals. I tell them, sleep with it. If you like it, for 2-3 days, we will start the execution.
that's a very good idea actually that's a good way of doing it
Yes.
तो एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर अगर आपके साथ किसी को काम करना है somebody wants you to design their dream home for them what is the step by step procedure आपसे पहले तो आपको कांटेक्ट करो फिर आपसे मिलके आपको बताओ कि ये हमें चाहिए उसके बाद स्टेप बाय स्टेप क्या होता है so that everything falls into place
Okay. So you have decided to hire us. Then we will take a briefing from you. We will ask you 100 to 200 questions about your home. We
like
have a
what kind of
document.
questions
Like, for example, do you want a mandir? If you want a mandir, you want a standing mandir or you want a sitting mandir?
okay
Do you want storage in your mandir?
Okay.
Do you want shelving in your mandir? How many idols you want to place? One example. There are many examples like
Right.
that. If you want your bed, do you like low heighted bed or a higher heighted bed? Do you want side tables or you don't want side tables? Do you want a dresser in your room or you don't want a dresser room?
Wow.
So there are set of 200 questions that we have that we ask anybody, even if it's a commercial interior or a residential interior. We sit with our client and ask them the 100 questions. They want an automation or you don't want an automation. You like mirrors or you don't like mirrors. So a lot of questions are there.
yeah
Then once we have that briefing, we first work only on the layout. We work only on the furniture layout and the storage layouts. So you have a 2D drawing, okay, where everything that you want in your house has been shown. Like you want 12 seating in your living room, so we have shown that. You want a 4-seater dining table, so we have shown that. So things like those, like if you want, other than your wardrobe, you want extra storage in your room, so we'll show you. So obviously, we never make one option, we always make 4 options for client.
Okay.
So that if you want 2-3 things and it doesn't fit like perfectly, so we'll show you maybe that in this option this thing fits perfectly, in the other option the sitting would fit perfectly, in the third option maybe the storage will fit perfectly. So the layout has been done and it has been freezed. Once it has been freezed, then we show them theme presentations, which theme of the house you look, which you enjoy looking at, what you don't like and what you like. We understand their visual liking, because function first.
तो ये जो visual liking है, ये आप actually कुछ references दिखा के then
yes,
you
we
take
have
a
a
call.
theme presentation,
Okay.
concept presentation, trending and the earlier good trends, whatever is latest and whatever we should recommend to a person who's thinking of designing a home. And we also suggest according to their budget which theme they should pick up.
Okay.
Yeah. So first we focus on functionality through the layout, then we focus on the visual part.
Okay.
Yeah. So once the references has been approved by them, like they like a particular image and a particular style, then we start the actual designing
Okay.
Yeah.
Of the actual designing of their space.
of the whole.
Right.
Yeah, of the whole. Like we pick up one room, we design each wall of it. Then we, select a color scheme. Then we design the ceiling, lighting, flooring, walls, doors, wardrobe internals.
Okay.
Yes. Then once the 3Ds are approved, the visuals are approved, then we get into detailing part. They are approved. Clients generally don't bother about, how much detailing, what is the working drawing, what is the size and all.
Acha.
We tell them that whatever in the picture you are looking at, we will give you the same thing
Okay.
in execution.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, we would like to check them, at least the internals of the wardrobe, which are not visible in the 3D designs, or the TV units, or the bed storages, height. Sometimes people are like, I want a bigger table, I want a heighted table. Not everybody is comfortable with a low table, which is a norm in a center table style. So we ask these questions with them, get them checked, and just put into execution. And one last meeting happens
Yeah.
for the material selection.
Acha.
We have the design ready, we have the layout ready, we have the working drawings ready. Now we just show them all the materials, like laminates, veneer, paints, texture paints, wallpapers, curtains, on one table,
Okay.
according to their design. And once they see that, approve that, we'll just place the orders in.
You just make it sound so easy for the person who's actually getting the homemade, because I remember getting my, like the current one where I'm staying. I was pregnant at the time.
Yeah.
And I was also working. I was running multiple businesses और रोज साइट पे आना पड़ता था.
That doesn't
इतना
make
बड़ा टमी लेके और बैठने की जगह नहीं होती थी और लू भी नहीं होता था because everything
I
was-
can feel it. I have 2 boys.
Yeah, and imagine like I have to pee also in my own house. I'm not finding a loo which is clean, and it was quite. और फिर आके लगता था कि आज तो ये सब complete होना था, ये हुआ क्यों नहीं है? And I was like, oh
No,
my
that's
God,
an
what's
unnecessary
going on?
hassle.
Yeah. So
If you hire an expert, that's their job. You should trust them and let them do their job.
So I'm telling you from a customer's point of view, from a client's perspective, मेरे दिमाग में ये रहता है कि अगर मैं सब कुछ, if I trust my designer too much, then he's going to make me spend too much money. Am I right or wrong?
That's a norm. I am not surprised you're thinking that. Every second person thinks the same. With my experience, right now I'm also executing, right? We are also into execution, so we know each and every prices. But before, like 5 years before, when I have not started my own company, I was working where I'm just designing, and there is a contractor who's
Right.
doing their job. So I have seen people, and sometimes clients decide to build their own so that they can spend as they want, step by step. One is they are taking much more time. One project what I can finish today in 6 months, they took it 5 years to complete.
Okay.
Also, they're spending more.
Correct.
They don't know where to get what
Correct.
from. As a designer, when we are not executing it, we can suggest you buy this from this brand. But
हाँ.
I have seen this is a norm in people that when they go buying themselves, they will go to 10 places
Correct.
and they will not trust the designer.
I've done that.
That's a wrong thing. You have to trust your designer. You hire a designer that you trust. Or
Actually
you can
क्या
say
होता है
like
like
that.
if I remember that from my previous house I was going to select the veneer and I went to multiple places because मेरे को
Did
ना
your
तो
designer suggested you a particular veneer?
no
That's the wrong thing.
no
So they should
nothing
have
I in fact I just said कि मुझे इस तरह का texture चाहिए इस तरह का तो कहाँ से मिलेगा कैसे because I didn't even know what kind of materials are used like if I want to get my furniture polished what am I supposed to use if it's not wood how do I cut cost
Did you hire a designer at that
I
time?
did
Okay.
I did so then I went to buy veneer from different
No,
different
so
shops
that's a designer's job to tell everything and make everything available to you.
क्योंकि
If-
मुझे पूरी
if
मार्केट
your
रिसर्च
designer-
कॉस्ट पे भी करनी पड़ी क्योंकि मुझे तो कॉस्ट का भी आइडिया नहीं था ना
Doesn't make sense. So in our college, I have did my market research. Market research was my subject.
ओके
I used to go every Tuesday to all the markets to research about the materials that are available in the market.
ओके ओके
So we have done that in our education.
राइट
So we should, as a designer, should tell you what is right, what is wrong, what is latest, what is according to your budget, what should you take according to your design. That is what we all know.
टेल मी हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज इट टू कंटिन्यू टू अपडेट योर सेल्फ विद द करंट मार्केट ट्रेंड्स कि अभी आज की डेट में कौन सी नई चीज़ आई है कॉस्ट वाइज कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट है कुछ नया इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ
See,
है कि
this
नहीं
market is very big. It is 34 billion right now in India. Indian interior market is 34 billion. This is very big market. There are a lot of materials. You can't even imagine. Every day I am seeing a new material
Okay.
coming in. So you cannot expect a layman to understand that. They don't know what is already there in the market.
Yeah.
What even one interior designer, I am not assuming that every interior designer know about every material.
Correct.
Right?
हाँ.
But I am sure an interior designer would know better than a layman.
हाँ
A person
absolutely.
who's starting right
सो
now.
इन योर एक्सपीरियंस जो नए नए ट्रेंड्स आते हैं मटेरियल में स्पेशली वो बेटर होते हैं आई मीन आई एम श्योर दैट विद टाइम थिंग्स आल्सो मस्ट
No,
बी
not
गेटिंग
everything
चीपर
is better which is new.
सो देयर आर सम थिंग्स व्हिच आर बेटर
Actually,
एज
there
वेल
are whatever is older, classic,
Okay.
is much more better. I will say, like solid wood,
ओके
like marble. You know, these nowadays the trend is that all these things are coming back. Have you heard about mud houses? Have you heard about lime wash texture paints? These are again coming. First, they are very nature friendly. Second, they are cost effective as well. And so nowadays, when everybody is informed, they are using the same materials that are age old and classic. Not every trend is good. Like there are few trends that I hate, like the PVC paneling.
ओके
That's look too plasticky, not natural at all. Doesn't give you a luxury vibe at all.
करेक्ट
So not everything is good. But yeah, there are some materials that are really good.
you think people are going towards sustainability now in interiors as well
Definitely. We as human are going towards wellness. We are going towards, everybody is going into fitness these days. So similarly, sustainability is a part of our architecture and interior. So a lot of people are using cane and using natural wood, solid wood into furniture, and low VOC paints.
ओके
Yes.
ओके
And they're also going for energy efficiency. Like nowadays, you must have heard a lot of people are going for solar energy.
Yeah.
Earlier it was not
Correct.
so easy. So
How
because
efficient is
people are
it?
going into sustainability, that's why the interior trend is also moving towards sustainability.
so how efficient is solar energy
It is efficient. It will give you half of your power backup.
okay
Definitely. Sometimes more. So depends on the sun energy where your home is placed. Accordingly, if the sun is good, you will get very good energy out of it.
Acha. Okay. And tell me, if somebody has a limited budget, is it still possible to give them a luxurious look in the house?
Yes.
एंड जैसे हम लोग आजकल यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हेल्दी ईटिंग फिटनेस एंड ऑल दैट तो हेल्दी ईटिंग इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ इट तो ऑर्गेनिक सब्जियां जो होती हैं वो नॉर्मल सब्जियों से महंगी होती हैं,
Right.
लेकिन अगर हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात करें तो ये मड हाउसेज या रियल स्टोन या रियल वुड, ये सारा फिर ज़्यादा महंगा चला जाता है कि इज इट कॉस्ट
Right,
इफेक्टिव?
right. So then we have to choose. If your budget doesn't allows you to particular thing,
हाँ.
then we have to choose what to skip and what not to skip. Like for example, your dining table, we can make in wood, but maybe your bed we will avoid making in wood.
अच्छा.
So like when
But
we
you are
did-
saying that these natural things are actually more expensive now.
definitely not now, like they're always
शुरू से ही.
yeah.
हाँ, एक्चुअली ये सब जो मैन मेड चीज़ें आई हैं वो इट इज़ बेसिकली टू
Basically to
cut
make
the cost.
available and you
Yeah.
know, look alike.
Right, right. Acha, let's talk a little about these fancy gadgets nowadays and or the fancy contraptions that you have. कि ऐसे टच किया कबर्ड नीचे आ गई, ऐसे टच किया ऊपर चली गई स्टोरेज, ऐसे आपने किया बेड निकल के आ गया. I mean, do you use these kind of things?
Yes,
If yes, then
yes.
how efficient are these in the long
Not
run?
everything is very efficient. Not everything is Indian friendly, I will say.
Okay.
Like a lot of clients ask me to give me a bar that opens up, and Murphy beds.
Okay.
And
What are
you know,
Murphy
sofa
beds?
Murphy beds, when you convert a wall storage into a bed,
Acha, acha.
it
Okay.
comes down.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a storage as well and a bed as well.
हाँ. Okay.
Okay. And then you have sofa cum beds.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then I tell them, are you a kind of person who take an effort to change something? So it depends. These things are very good, definitely, if you are not lazy. If you want to, convert your room, you can like pull it down and use it. But something are very easy to use, like in kitchen cabinets. There are a lot of technology, German technology, where you can just touch and open things.
Okay.
Very good to
Are
use.
they very expensive?
No, not very. Again, I will always tell whenever somebody feels something is expensive, what is your overall budget?
Okay.
Yeah, we should understand what is important for you. If that is important for you, we will take up that in your budget.
Okay.
And then skip something which is not very important for you.
Okay. And talking about this functionality of these kind of contraptions, I remember that my parents-in-law used to live in a very small apartment, and they had a dining table which was like that, वो ऐसे बंद हो जाता था, and you pull it out, and there was a leg which would come out, and उन्होंने कभी लाइफ में उसको बंद नहीं किया.
See, I told you. That is the problem.
It took me a long time to know कि अच्छा ये बंद भी होता है, कभी कर दो बंद. Yeah, I
And
totally
उसकी
get
ना फिर longevity भी कम हो जाती है. When you don't use it regularly,
it. हाँ.
it will not be in a good condition forever.
And let's talk about the importance of lighting. कि कैसे आप किसी space को, we're talking so much about wellness, how can you give that calm vibe to a space? What does a white light do? What does a yellow light do? Or a warm light do? Or a natural जो sunlight एक आजकल आती है वो.
So when it comes to lighting, the first priority I give is to natural light.
Okay.
There are a lot of studies which says that with natural lighting your productivity increases to 10 to 15%. So whenever I design a space, first priority I give to natural light. Wherever I can see, I can create an opening. We create that and have the natural light coming. It refreshes your mood.
Yeah.
It will always keep you very alive. So that is most important. That has a science behind it. When it comes to artificial lighting, layered lighting is very important. If you just do one style lighting, it will not look inviting.
Okay.
It will look very bold.
Like very bland.
Very bland, very bold. Like a tube light. You just put a tube light.
मतलब
and
खाने में सिर्फ नमक डाल दिया.
So, but when it comes to layered lighting, you have to have ambient, accent, so this is called layer lighting. So like you have cove lighting, then you have
okay.
ceiling lighting, then you have hanging lights. So these are the different combinations that we try in every space.
मतलब what you're saying is कोई light है जो ऊपर से नीचे आ रही है,
Right.
कोई है जो नीचे से
So
ऊपर जा रही है.
changes your mood instantly. Like you have nowadays dimmable lights.
हाँ, correct.
That are very important. In a home, I will definitely suggest a dimmable light.
Correct.
It instantly changes your mood.
तो मतलब अगर husband wife को झगड़ा करना है तो किस टाइप की लाइट होनी चाहिए?
Bright light. White light.
और जब थोड़ा calm down हो रहे हैं तो yellow
Warm
light,
white
so.
light.
Okay. And tell me कि how important is vastu? while designing a house? Do you consider it at all?
The importance of vastu depend on person to person. I have had clients who follow vastu like it is the only thing that is going to make their life.
कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि कोई बोलता है नहीं मुझे किचन में तो बाथरूम चाहिए, बाथरूम में किचन मेरा शिफ्ट करो पूरा.
हाँ हाँ होता है, क्यों नहीं होता,
And then you
बिल्कुल
do it.
होता है. We discuss it. Sometimes we do it, sometimes they understand that what could be the problem in doing so.
And as a designer, what is the importance that you give to Vastu?
As a designer, I follow some basic vastus.
Okay.
Like I follow the bed head should not be in a north direction, because when you get up, it gives you a very heavy head. That's again a science behind it. Just very logical. Then I follow position of the mandir.
Okay.
Definitely, it has to be vastu oriented. There should be east where you should be doing your prayer. Your face should see at the east.
Okay.
While doing the prayer. And sometimes we specifically put hob into south directions.
Okay.
Yeah. So fire, water.
Okay.
That
So
is
matlab
what-
couple of basic things you
Yes.
always incorporate in the designing.
Yeah,
Baki that depends on the
depends
person
on the
who's-
client. Sometimes client
Right.
don't even want that. They were like, I don't follow.
हाँ, like my husband's like that. He
Yeah.
says ना तो मुझे बताना
हाँ.
और ना ही कुछ बोलना. मेरा घर बहुत अच्छा है.
It is about your
Yeah.
belief. Like I am also a human being. My also experience with Vastu kept changing.
Okay.
Earlier I used to believe in Vastu, but then suddenly I realized that I have changed something in my house that was against Vastu and it didn't affect me. So I stopped believing in that. So it depends on person. And if with you it happened that you followed something in Vastu and it changed your life, you will definitely gonna follow
Start
it for
believing
lifetime.
it, right.
So it is very subjective.
Yeah, correct. So now before I
But
let you
as a
go,
designer, there is no role of Vastu. The
Acha.
design doesn't look good because of the Vastu.
because of the Vastu. Yeah, it just depends from client
Yes,
to client.
yes.
But okay, before I leave you, I want to ask you some nice quick tips for space optimization.
Okay. Space optimization. Can you
Like
ask?
छोटा घर है लेकिन ज़्यादा चीज़ें फिट करनी है,
Okay.
तो क्या कर सकते हैं उसमें एज अ डिज़ाइनर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू? मतलब सिविल का काम हो चाहे कुछ फर्नीचर से किया जाए, किस तरह से उसको थोड़ा ऑप्टिमाइज किया
So
जाए?
you have to use multifunctional pieces.
ओके.
Like your center table can be converted into a dining table, things like those. You have to be very mindful in using the size of the furniture. You must go for customized furniture, not standard furniture.
Okay.
Because like if you use a king size bed, it's a small house, right? I would suggest you to use a custom bed, which is as per the room. That is what we do mostly. We suggest that two people are sleeping. You don't need that much of space. So let's compress the bed. Let's increase the wardrobe. That is more needed. Right? So one is customized furniture and the multifunctional furniture. And use light colors.
Okay. Okay.
Use light color and try to be it a seamless finish.
Okay.
From floor to ceiling. If you're gonna use something on one wall and other thing on the other wall, it's gonna clash and it will make it look small.
Okay.
So try to make it seamless.
ओके. मतलब फ्लोर का कलर भी सेम सिमिलर
Like you have like wall and
का,
floor in the
ceiling
same
का,
color. Yes.
similar.
yes.
Okay,
Little essence
amazing.
here and there. That's it.
अमेजिंग. और एक चीज़ मेरे को आपसे पूछनी है कि यू वर्क विद योर हस्बैंड, राइट?
Right.
तो वहाँ नहीं क्लैश होता है प्रोफेशनली?
बहुत clash होता है.
तो घर का जो क्लैश होता है और प्रोफेशनली क्लैश होता है उसमें क्या फ़र्क होता है?
Same हो जाता है.
So
I
आप
will not
अपना
lie
काम
about
घर
that.
लेके आते हो और फिर क्लैश होता है?
नहीं, we try to maintain a balance. So we have divided role. He looks after the execution part, and I look after the design studio. And he has to say yes on whatever I design. If he says no, that's a problem. So
Okay.
yeah,
But, okay. That's
But
a
yeah,
problem
if-
for him?
yes. No, so we have a rule in our company that any designer, be it me or my team, whatever they say has to be done.
Okay.
Yeah, because ultimately it's the designer's vision,
Right.
and it has to come alive.
हाँ.
Yeah, but I also listen. It's not like that that he only listens. I also listen whenever it's a technical thing that's impossible. Then we listen to him.
Okay. One question that I have in my mind is कि ऐसी डिजाइनिंग को लेकर कौन सी मिस्टेक है जो लोग बार बार करते रहते हैं, which you see very common in your clients कि ये चीज़ सब गलती कर रहे हैं ये और मुझे सबको सुधारना पड़ रहा है.
So this is a good platform to tell, I think, that what you should not do at your home, right?
हाँ.
So एक चीज़ मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, लोग ना चारों तरफ एक फॉल सीलिंग में से पट्टा बना लेते हैं
हाँ.
एंड उसमें लाइट लगा देते हैं.
हाँ.
Just hate it.
क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए वो?
It is not correct way of lighting your room.
Oh.
You are just lighting the edges. You're forgetting about center. There is no lighting on your furniture. There is no balance in the lighting.
Okay.
Also, then you put things on your wall.
हाँ.
So the light is coming under that thing, like above that thing.
Right.
So just hate it. You should never do
Okay.
it.
And it's a very common mistake.
It's a very, you will always see a four
Yeah,
corner
yeah.
ceiling and you know.
चाहे
then-
घर हो, चाहे shops हो, चाहे
हाँ,
offices हो.
मतलब
that's-
पता नहीं दिमाग नहीं लगाते मतलब.
मैं आपको दिमाग का लॉजिक आपको एपिसोड के बाद बताती हूँ. Anything else that anybody else has in mind to ask?
I have a weird question.
Ask.
If your client has done, or when you have done the entire designing for your client, and does the client say if there is any warranty? I don't know if the
Oh, warranty. Yeah. Do your clients ask you for a warranty for your design?
Yes, yes.
What kind of warranty do you give for a designing? कि
So
furniture वगैरह
there
की
is
warranty.
No, there is no warranty on the design as such. It cannot go wrong because we have shown you visuals
Yeah.
and we are making that. But in case you're not happy with the design, we are happy to change it.
Okay.
After we have
And
done
is
it.
there any kind of warranty you give on the furniture
Definitely,
that you customize?
there are
Fittings.
different warranties on different things. Like on furniture, we give 20 years warranty.
Okay.
Yeah, on wardrobes, we give 5 years warranty.
Okay.
Everything has a life.
Okay. That was not a weird question at all, Manish. It was a very, very relevant question. Anything else? Sit, घर बनवाना है कभी जल्दी? Time है अभी. See, these are the people you have to run away from.
He's saying what?
I always like to design my own homes. He
No,
took
you
nothing
should-
away
you
from
should
the
design it.
conversation today.
So I like it when some client come to me and they tell me their vision. I love it. I would like to have a discussion. So recently I've done this room where the girl want a very exclusive. Doesn't exclusive? It sounds very weird to me. She doesn't want a wardrobe in her room.
Okay. So
That's
what? Where does she want to put her
amazing,
clothes?
strange. She said I have less stuff. I will keep it in the lower storages. You just give me bookshelves all around.
Wow.
And we
Okay.
have done that. It came out so nice. She has a bachelor. She has a master's in cinema. I just love how she like thought about her room.
Listen, I
And-
love that. I think I'm going to change my entire life now. This is great. Imagine if you didn't have clothes. Wow, like you don't have to. So my husband
So she
has
has
this thing.
clothes, isn't it? Obviously everybody has clothes.
My husband has this new thing now कि मैं सारे कपड़े अपने फेंक दूंगा और मैं 5 white shirts और 5 black shirts खरीदूंगा. That is all I'll
Good.
wear. I don't have the time to decide.
So
what to
I tell this to each and every client whenever they're shifting to a new home. पहले आप declutter करो. You watch Netflix, organizing के shows देखो, and you learn how to organize yourself, declutter yourself, throw away which are duplicate, which you think you have 2 items and one you love and one you might love. Just don't get emotionally attached with anything. Just declutter yourself. That
My
will
God.
save a lot of.
Just thinking about it makes me cry because I have so much work to do. You know, I have another house.
Okay.
And the only reason I can't sell it is because there is so much stuff over there. What do I do with it? I can't just give it away or sell it.
I can
or-
help you.
Do I need your help? We'll come to that. But thank you so much for this very insightful
So
conversation.
you should watch the shows that I'll just give you a note. What all shows you should watch.
ठीक है.
You will definitely easily take them away.
Okay.
It will change you forever.
ठीक है. You tell me the shows and I'm going to put them down in the description as well.
Sure.
Free shout out to these shows that she's talking about. I think we all can do it with a little
Yes,
bit of
yes,
decluttering in our lives, whether we are redesigning a new home or not.
For home interiors, I will say this is the major part of the discussion that you have to declutter yourself. You have to think what is more important. So the real answer of having more storage is not making more cupboards.
Correct. हाँ.
It is to declutter yourself.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Thank you so much. I hope you guys also had a lot of your questions answered by today's conversation. If you have any questions about designing a home, of interior designing, anything that you have, you please put them down in the comments below. You were just listening to Prerna talk and you're watching Candid Confessions with Chavi. Please like this episode, share it, with everybody because पता नहीं किसको नया घर डिज़ाइन करना है, किसके दिमाग में क्या सपना चल रहा है. Let's try and help everybody's purpose. And don't forget to subscribe. This is both of us signing out. Love and peace from us to you.